Alright, buddy, welcome back to Sons of the Forest. We are playing with Mushy again. We just built our base off camera. Let's see what we got here. We got a lot of loot. We gotta get more skulls and shit for this chandelier. But, alright, what are we doing today?
Not really sure. We might go get the shovel. I don't know. What do you want to do?
I mean, we can go get the shovel.
Alright, well, we're going to need to get prepared.
Might as well proceed some more stuff, yeah. Let me eat some stuff real quick.
We might as well sleep through the night.
Yeah. Circuit board, bomb, duct tape, wire, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, am I one shy on coins?
Oh shit.
There's a guy in here.
Big raid party.
This guy's dead. Cool, and we can burn the bodies before... Bring the bodies over here. Yep, it's over here.
Oh, reinforced fire.
This dude has some bone armor too. Oh, another guy, another guy, another guy. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy.
Oh, big guy.
Oh!
Who shot who?
She shot him! And he knocked him down. I'm not getting damaged by this guy. I think I still have armor on. You dead yet?
Well, he's about to be. He's burning up. Thank you, Virginia.
Thank you. Thank you, Virginia. Alright, we need 5 skulls left. And I think 5 bones. Maybe. 5 skulls.
So how you liking the game so far?
It is amazing. I love it.
It's very beautiful.
It is a very good game. It's not as scary as I thought it would be, but...
The first one was definitely scary. This one, it's not as... There's a guy behind you. Alright.
Said we're following the...
Yeah, we
river,
follow
right?
this up, we should be good.
There's
Yep,
a cave.
This is the right one. Alright, slingshot is right here.
Oh, there's some stuff over here, bud. Some cloth. And some money and the bones. Don't mind if I do. Ah. Alright. We ready?
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Let's do...
Alright, this cave is gonna be hell in a handbasket. Alright, so you have to have the zip gun to get there. Yep. There we go.
Alright, we're going. Alright, I'm getting out my flashlight. I don't care how many batteries I have left.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm getting grenades.
Alright, equip your rebreather.
Oh, rebreather? Well, do we want to see if there's any loot up here first?
And once you're ready, let me know.
Rebreather is equipped. Let's make sure that there's
We
no
go
loot
this
up here.
way.
Let's loot up here first. Hold on. Yeah, there's some loot and stuff up here. Some pills. Computer. Duct tape. Don't leave without me.
Good.
Alright, let's go. Oh damn, you already took them all out?
Yeah.
Get some of this armor real quick. Bones. We need to keep an eye out for skulls too. Hold on a sec. Where are you going? Stop speedrunning this shit.
Oh no, I'm just getting the enemies out so we can explore a little bit more. Alright, I just went up. There's a wetsuit here, ammo, and...
Flippers.
Oh.
And get some of this armor real quick. Oh, never mind, I can't get it from them. Some more people. We good. We Gucci.
Alright, I'm letting you experience this next part.
Hold on, getting this armor real quick.
Alright. You take the lead on this when you're done.
And last one. There, I see a guy down there already. Let me equip this armor real quick. Alright. No, there's no guy down there.
Bye-bye!
Hey, oh, that's a slide. Where am I going? Where am I going? Me no likey. Please be some ammunition. We need ammo. We need ammo. Specifically 9mm ammo. Hey, a skull, we need that.
Alright, get a grenade or something out ready.
Alright, I have a grenade.
You hear that?
Yep, here, watch out. Watch out.
Oh no, they're not up ahead yet. They are in here though.
Grenade out. Get an axe.
I think I fixed it. There used to be like 37 guys in there.
Oh, I'm taking damage now.
Okay.
Where'd the other guy go?
You good?
Yep, getting this armor real quick.
I guess they fixed this part. There used to be like 30 guys in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why I was so scared of doing this. Now, we can completely avoid the enemies and go straight to the shovel if you'd like, or we can go through the enemies.
Just go through the enemies. There's loot here too.
Oh, I'm just saying there's a secret passageway over here.
Oh, okay. More tape. Oh, there is a secret passageway in there. How'd you get over there?
You just gotta jump it.
Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. That's a lot of fucking money. Oh, damn.
Alright, we can go down.
Where'd he go? Oh, down there. Where's the shovel at? We need the shovels.
Time up. Get in the water.
Ow. Big guy.
Oh, he's dead.
I was not
Until they
expecting you to throw...
Oh, I said time up. I'm
Let me collect this armor real quick.
gonna eat.
Alright. Let's see here. God damn, how many more guys are there? More armor. Don't mind if I do.
Hey!
Hey!
Armor.
Stuck again, there we go. Alright, let me equip this armor that I got. Alright. I'm ready whenever you are.
Making some more armor.
Oh, this way.
Alright, this is the shovel. We can just go back the way we came.
Oh, baby. Oh, double. A conjoined twin. Ah, bitch.
Diabetes.
Diabetes. Cool.
Where's the hatchling at?
Shovel. Stupid baby. Another baby?
Alright, it's up to you. We can go back and get the police, the gun attachment if you'd like.
Might as well.
Okay.
Might as well get everything we can.
Yep, I'm lost.
Where the heck is that?
The fuck was that?
Oh, over here. Over here. She did. What is over here?
I don't know, I've never explored this side before.
Oh, there's multiples. There's some boxes over here. There's like a lot of boxes over here. There's a way we can go over here too. Make sure there's nothing else. I think that's the way we gotta go, is over here.
Yeah, the way we came in.
Wait. Yeah. There's just another little loot area is what it was. Alright, so back in the water?
Yeah. We go right this time though.
Following you.
Hey. Well, maybe not. Yeah. No, this just leads back to... Okay, we can get it. Need to do a bunch of parkour to get out of there, but...
We're back. I hear babies. Maybe. Nope. Alright. Am I going?
Oh, sorry, no, I had to fix my flashlight for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna grab a grenade. Actually, a time bomb.
Yeah, right there, right, to your right, there's a conjoin.
There's two of them, right? There's three big guys in the middle there. Grenade, back out. Run off as far as you can. I'm throwing a grenade at you.
I'm still not taking damage.
I just literally threw a grenade at you and you took nothing. Alright.
Yeah, I'm still not taking damage. Like, I can equip my armor, but once I get down to my last armor thing, I still don't take any damage. Which is weird.
Alright, the pistol attachment's in the guy's hand over there.
Hold on.
Oh shit, not here.
I love how my game is bugged. I love how my game is bugged. Is there anything else up here? Some pills and stuff. There's another big guy over here. And some babies. Big guy's down.
There's a twin guy on me. Oh, I'm dead.
I got you. You stupid baby. Oh, you killed it. Okay. What other stuff's over here? Please be some. Hey, some ammo.
Alright, now our next goal is just gonna start going. Oh my god, I have a stroke trying to get that out. Our next goal is going to want. I can't talk. It's going to the maintenance hatches. Jesus Christ.
Oh, a little dive area. Get out my axe real quick.
Oh, wait a minute.
We're back here.
Yeah, we need to go back.
Wait up for me. Okay.
There's a We need to start looking at the walls. There's gonna be a big guy we can explode.
Oh, you just threw the baby at me. Oh, baby did.
Might be back this way.
I don't know. This is the gun guy, the gun part guy. I hear something.
Yep, right here.
Hold on. Alright.
Oh, you want me to try it?
Yep. He did.
Okay.
Oh yeah, some more babies. These babies are annoying.
Yeah, they do too much damage just for no reason.
Was that a skull back there? We need that. Keep an eye out for skulls and stuff. We need one more skull and 2 more bones. Stupid baby. Oh my god. Alright, I'm getting out of here. These babies are annoying.
Yeah, I just avoided them. They're just annoying.
I need to. Hold on, I need to drink an energy drink real quick.
Yep, all good. Oh shit, yeah, me too. Wait, I don't have anything. Never mind. Oh, I got energy bar.
Go ahead and eat me an MRE too. Should have packed more food. I got some blueberries and shit I can grab out on, I guess.
Oh, this is the exit.
Nice. Oh, it's nighttime, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a tarp out.
Yep, you do that.
Well, maybe if I can find a spot. Alright.
Okay, Win. You can screw off, please. Is there any loot at the golf carts? There's some cartridges over here. Ink. I want to dig. Where's my shovel at?
Oh, I'm bugged.
Again?
Yeah. Yeah, come kill me.
What do you keep getting bugged by?
I don't know. I got attacked when I was trying to... I got attacked when I was filling my canteen, and I think it bugged me.
Oh.
I'm fine now. Like I'm fine after I get meds.
Where's this hatch at?
Right here in the middle.
Oh, there it is. There we go.
It's open.
Let me just open it real
Oh my
quick.
god!
I just saw the inside of your face. Open it. There we go. Going down.
You're gonna have to come up and kill me.
You bugged again?
Yeah. I'm just infinitely drinking water over here.
Hold on. You are infinitely drinking water.
Am I not taking any damage?
No.
Oh,
I think you're gonna have to back out.
well, I'll meet you at the hatch. It'll be a minute. Well, my last save was after we got out of the cave.
I guess I'll kill me some birds. Oh, there's a big guy by me.
Coming.
I accidentally headshotted Kelvin with an arrow.
Oh, is he down or dead?
He's... I don't know yet.
He's still there on the map.
There's quite a few people here.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm up.
Ah, damn. How many arrows are you going to take, big boy? Oh, he's back up. We're good. Get my arrows back. Take an arrow to the face.
Oh shit.
Another guy. Oh, he's in the tree.
Help him?
Fuck out of here. Picking up my arrows real quick. Can you go?
Yeah, I'm doing the visual thing, like the headset thing.
Oh, you are? Okay. Alright. I got a bow.
Roomba. There's babies down there. And there's no way to turn off this music.
Let me get my spear for the babies real quick. Crunchy Munchies, don't mind if I do. Can I take that cleaver that's right there? Like, what the heck? There's a perfectly good cleaver here and we can't take it. Another note.
There's the first key card.
This afternoon it was discovered that a painting from Miss Pumpkin's Purple Collection has been missing. If anyone has any information, please talk to me directly. A laser sight? Ooh.
Key card right there, and then we have another chance to 3D print stuff.
Alright, let's see here. I think I want to do some arrows real quick. Where'd you go?
Oh,
Is there more loot over here?
There's just a book back here.
I'll take it. Oh, and some tuxedo. Ooh.
Wait, what?
Oh, to the left.
Whoa.
I want to see what that looks like. Ooh, tuxedo. Let me wear that. What up, buddy?
How do we look? We looking snazzy, boy.
Well, he is. You want some arrows? Make you some arrows. They're only.
Let me craft anything else.
They're only 50 resin, so might as well.
I need to create grappling hooks.
I want to. Can you tell me what damage? 3D printed? No, don't tell me what damage they do. I have stone arrow. Oh, that's the harpoon gun. Didn't mean to click that. I got carbon. I got 4 carbon arrows and those.
And then I'm gonna craft it. We can craft a bunch of arrows after I get these last 2.
Okay.
All right, you see this painting here?
Yep.
That armor's in the game, and we can wear it.
Nice.
And a katana as well. Yeah, unfortunately, there's just no way. Oh, there's an album cover here.
Oh, no, I want to kill the baby. I got the baby. Where are you at? Oh, dude, kill. Hey, motherfucker. Is there another baby?
Should be.
I found him. Make one more set of arrows and then we'll boogie out. Yeah, pretty nice little... That baby just went through the wall. There's your arrow. Alright, let's roll.
Oh, there's more to the back here.
Yeah, no.
It's, let's make it just some more supplies.
Hey, supplies are better than nothing. More printer ink. Not a whole lot back here. Alright, let's move on. Oh, there's a ladder. I was like, where's the dang thing at?
Behind you.
Alright, arrows are gonna be my best friend for a
I
while.
am going to save my...
Yep, that'd be a good idea.
Alright, we need to go back this way.
Oh, you can hotbar shit.
Yeah.
1. Alright, I'm gonna make that 2. 3. I didn't know you could hotbar stuff. I'm gonna make the gun 4. Interesting. Alright, I wanna save 2 real quick. Alright.
Looking snazzy over there with your suit.
I know, right?
Olivia, get him! I think I might make pancakes for dinner, dude.
We high rolling right now.
Dude, we highballing.
Your character's black.
I'll be on.
Your character's black now.
Wait, what?
When you respawned in, your character turned black.
Man, let me just do a quick race change. Oh shit.
I don't see nobody.
Neither do I.
Oh, we probably killed them all.
Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe.
Because remember there was the big guy and everything.
Yeah, maybe that's the only.
Hey, batteries! Heck yes. Another skin pouch that I
More
can't open.
batteries in there?
Oh yeah, I got some batteries now,
Yeah.
which is more than what I had earlier because I didn't have any batteries earlier. Because you know the lighter sucks and the flashlight's amazing.
Yeah, but unfortunately it takes a pack of batteries.
It does, but it's worth it. All right, where are we going, Mister?
So I think we should go to the next one before we get the shotgun.
All right.
I mean, it's on the way.
I don't have any. I was gonna make another bomb, but I don't got no coins. I got 2 bombs on me. 4 grenades. Hold on, I want to combine things. Combine that. Should I put the flashlight or the laser on?
It is up to you. It's whatever you think you're gonna need for.
The laser or the flashlight would be good in the caves, but the laser I feel like would be good too. I want to go flashlight, and then I'll go laser for the shotgun.
Okay.
Or can I put both on it? No, I can't.
I think you only do one.
Yeah, let's do flashlight and put laser on shotgun. Oh, I put the laser on. Oh, dismantle. Okay, there is a dismantle feature. That's nice. Remove that, put the flashlight on. Fine. And then combine. Or, wait, can you put both on?
Both what?
Hold on a second. You can put both
You
on.
might. Wait, can you really?
Yeah. The flashlight
been lied to.
goes on the bottom, the laser goes on top. Nice. You left me, dickhead.
Yeah, I let you get attacked now. Oh my god, it's your laser. Holy shit, that's a high-powered laser.
I know, right?
I bet you can hit the moon and back with that shit.
Probably.
Oh my god.
Fuck. People.
Yeah. You want to shoot him? Shoot him.
Yeah. Oh, with the gun? Yeah. Fuck it. Why
Yeah.
not?
I don't have mine. I gave it to Virginia. Virginia.
Come here, asshole.
You just executed that man.
Let me make sure my gun's reloaded real quick.
Just executed the dude.
That's okay. I'm eating some random flowers. Up. There's some more people. I got my
I think
bow.
they're in the tree, I think. There's a guy
Where at?
right in front of there.
I see him. There's another one. He did the cut and throw animation and I just bombed him. What? Don't mind if I do. Let me get my shovel out and help you real quick. Oh, right here. Found it. Hey, shoddy. There's also a guy. Oh, there's 2. Oh, there's a bot. Hey, this guy has mutant armor. Oh, you done fucked him up.
Yeah, I'm just hip firing it.
All right. What's next?
we can go back home. We can save a little bit.
Yeah, let's go back home. And then we'll do a save, take a quick break, and then store some supplies. Alright, everybody, if you enjoyed today's episode of Sons of the Forest, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. We're going to be playing more of this, do some more tomorrow. What all do we have left to do?
We need to go to the other maintenance hatches, and we need to start exploring the other caves.
Nice. We did get the shotgun now, wherever the shotgun's at.
Yeah, we got the shotgun, the key card,
Where's the shotgun at in the inventory?
orange box.
Orange box. Now we got the shotgun, we got the key cards, so we can go do things with the other hatches we found. But stay tuned for next episode, and I'll see you guys in the next video.